Hello, Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Wednesday, May 20th. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21, and all cases have now recovered or left the island. This means we have no confirmed active cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. As we discussed yesterday, we sent up Mayor's Emergency Rule 10 for the governor's signature. While we are still awaiting the governor's signature, we do anticipate that to happen today. Mayor's Emergency Rule 10 allows the following businesses to reopen on Friday, May 22nd, so long as CDC guidelines and State Department of Health safe practices can be followed at all times. Outdoor-based tours and guided experiences, including but not limited to zipline operations, ATV tours, and horseback tours, churches and faith-based worship, one-on-one services or lessons such as tutoring, fitness and training, salons and barbershops, including nail salons, all sanitation and cleaning, including housekeeping, all manufacturing or construction operations that was not previously reopened, and pools in common areas for residents and visitors who have successfully completed the mandatory quarantine. As a reminder, all residents and visitors under the mandatory 14-day quarantine are not allowed to leave their home or hotel room for the full extent of the 14 days, and any pools or common areas are off limits for those in quarantine. The CDC has put forth a number of guidelines for specific industries, which can be found on the CDC website at www.cdc.gov/coronavirus. And under the heading Keeping Communities Safe, the State Department of Health also provides safe practices, which should be used as a guideline for businesses toward a safe reopening. The Department of Health's safe practices can be found at the county's COVID-19 website at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. I want to personally thank all the Kauai businesses for their patience and cooperation as we continue to travel through this difficult period. At 9 a.m. tomorrow, the Kauai bus will participate in the nationwide Sound the Horn initiative in solidarity with transit workers who put themselves at risk during the COVID-19 crisis. The campaign is organized through the Metropolitan Transportation Authority of New York City and the American Public Transportation Association to recognize the importance of public transportation during the COVID-19 pandemic. Kauai bus drivers will be encouraged to sound their horns at 9 a.m. along with transit drivers elsewhere in the state and across the country. Many of our high school graduating seniors have had their college plans disrupted by the COVID-19 crisis and were unable to connect with Kauai Community College during their senior year. The Hawaii Community Foundation, Kauai Community College, and the University of Hawaii System are offering a new program to help our recent grads called Next Steps to Your Future. KCC is offering free online summer courses. Students receive college credit and get a head start in their education and career. The first course starts on May 26. Please note that the deadline to register for that class is today. In the second half of the summer, the college will offer free career exploration classes. To sign up and get more information, go to http://uhcc.hawaii.edu/nextstep/. If you have questions, call 245-0132. There is an effort underway to increase scholarship funds available for students who complete the Next Steps program and go to one of the UH campuses. Our sunshine markets in Hanapepe and Kapa'a have reopened, and we are getting reports the response has been excellent, with many vendors selling out and customers wearing masks and following social distancing. As a reminder, the Hanapepe market is Thursdays from 2 p.m. to sellout, or no later than 4 p.m. It is located behind the Hanapepe Fire Station, right across the street from the library. The Kapa'a Sunshine Market is Mondays from 2 p.m. till sellout, or no later than 5 p.m. This market has been temporarily relocated to the Kapa'a Beach Park to allow vendors and customers more room to shop safely. The county's Real Property Tax Division will reopen to the public starting June 1st from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Thursday and closed Fridays. The Real Property Assessment Office will be available by appointment only. You can start calling for appointments starting tomorrow, May 21st from 6:45 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. To schedule an appointment, call 241-4224 and select option 2. You may be asked to leave a message with property ID or address and the reason for the appointment. For real property collections, no appointments are necessary, but there may be a long wait time. The public is highly encouraged to submit real property tax payments via the free online service at www.kauai.gov/paypropertytax or at the drop box located outside Kapule building. You can contact RPC by phone at 241-4272 or by email at rpc@kauai.gov. Social distancing guidelines will be enforced and masks will be required for entry and service. For more information, see www.kauai.gov/realproperty. Thank you again, everyone, for continuing to use the following best practices in your daily lives. Stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. And last but not least, congratulations once again to all our proud graduates. And Mr. Vernon Fu, thank you very much for this beautiful mailile, which always brings me back to my own graduation days a long time ago. So congratulations, graduates, and job well done. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.